Hello my dear friends, today I am going to teach you another money making strategy which can earn $2.5 within 55 seconds. So believe that this is one of the great applications which are going to earn introduced by the Google. Maybe you never heard about this before. Guys, here you can see these all are the different products and services which launched by the Google. Most of these applications are very familiar with you and some of us didn't even know existed. And also there you can see some extensions that Google offered. I think you maybe heard about the Google Calendar. And also, you know about this famous product of Google Drive, Gmail, Google Files, Google Maps and all of these other products and services. But maybe you never heard about the Google Arts and Culture which I am showing here. So you just need to click on this and you will be taken into this brand new website offered by the Google. You can download it from App Store and Google Play Store. It's available for iOS and Android users. So guys, in this website what you need to do is, you may learn about different arts, cultures and different historic details by just playing these simple games. These type of games are developed for people to make their knowledge about different arts and cultures. And also, whoever playing these games, they will really engage with it. As a proof, I played both of these games. They are very addictable and enjoyable. And by playing this, you will get knowledge about different histories, arts and culture informations in various countries around the world. As the next step, what you have to do is get a screenshot when you are playing these games. And let's start it. But you don't need to play the entire game. Just select the enjoyable and interesting part which can attract the attention and then get the screenshots. Now, as the next step, visit the website of sleepy.io. It's one of the best tools which giving you to add the call to action to any website you are using. Okay then, join to this website by entire free and you can do it very easily. After complete your account making process and sign into your brand new free account in sleepy.io. So let's create the Stippy link for Google Arts and Culture. Then again go back to the Google products and copy the link of that secret Google application. Then you can paste it here and click the button which showing as create snip. After click it, you will add the message. The message you received, that link is special offer received from the CPA Grip. Okay guys, let's go to the website of cpagrip.com. It's a CPA marketplace which is offering thousands of various offers that can earn money. So, there also you have to make an account by simply sign up by totally free. After complete all step of sign up process, you can log into this brand new account. Here you can see lots of people are joining with CPA Grip for earn money online. Then click this offer tool as I do and select my offers. Then you can select your own country as shown here. After done it, you can select any one of these all of these offers which you can get chance to earn money. As example, when individuals are inserting their email address, there is chance to win $750 PayPal gift card. So my dear friends, you also have the same chance. Then just copy the link of CPA offer and go back to the sleepy.io and paste the link into the button URL as shown here. There also, you will add the message as previous one I shown you. Then you have to click here to get chance to win $750 valued PayPal gift card. Here you can see how it looks like. So then I will continue to finish the CTA. And after that we can get our Stippy link and it will be showing like this. By click on this button we can preview it. So then we will take into this secret Google application which we call Arts and Culture. So when individual is using this application, they will notify our call to action offer which we are promoting. So you can see here, when some person is playing games in the Google application, they will see the promotion which they can win entire free. After they click on the promo ad, it will take them into the relevant offer. Then every and each email they are submitting, you will get paid your dollars. Now maybe you can get free iPhone or free money, whichever that can be is appearing to anyone. So no matter whoever it is, they don't want to interest on that thing they are appearing. Everyone is looking for getting something entire free. So there are lots of free offers which you can promote by using CPA Grip. When people are getting to that offers and submit their email address, as a return you will get paid. Okay guys, get your Stippy link that you created. Then you have to do something to drive traffic your link. And I will show you one strategy how to do it. There are some easy ways. One of is log into your Facebook account. And in the search bar type history, art, culture and search it. There you can see lots of groups which have thousands of people who interest into about topics. By scrolling down here, you can see all of these groups and how many people are gathering there. Then you can join all of these groups and publish the screenshots which you took when playing the games as a post. And also, you can post it as replies to some comments. When publishing those posts, you need to put some words which can influence to click the links. It can be more beneficial to attract the people. Also, you need to highlight something regarding those games that people are going to play. Then people will click on your link or comment on your post, so you can reply them with your link also. And when they are playing those games, they will see your promotion and sign up to CPA offers. By using this strategy, you can attract thousands of people from Facebook to sign through your link and you will be paid very attractively. So this is the entire concept that I wanted to teach you. If you need to make more money, just watch my another videos. I think you have got some knowledge from this video. Now you can make money online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Please put your ideas in comment section below. So thank you very much for being with me. See you in next video.